Alright guys, welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I'm Praveen and I've got Mehak with me, and I'm very happy today because we're going to cook something very special, and with this banana leaf, which is a very proven sign of being a South Indian. Though I'm a South Indian, she's a Punjabi. So we got a lot of options of food to eat, and everything has got carbohydrate. We want to be in ketosis, or we want to be in a stage of fat burning. So it's about choosing the right food at the right amount, and we're going to show you that how to do that. So let's go make.
So today we are going to be making a keto almond dosa, and these are the ingredients for it. So I have taken here, that's 2.5 tablespoons of almond flour. To that I'm going to be adding flax seeds. Now these are tiny little seeds, that's 1 tablespoon. So these are tiny little seeds, they look really tiny, but then I have roasted them and they have enormous health benefits. Praveen is going to
I think one of the best benefits we talk about fiber is it's a great source of fiber.
Really high in fiber. Yeah. Here I'm going to take a pinch of Himalayan salt. To that I'm going to add some grated mozzarella cheese. Again, that's going to be about 2 tablespoons of grated mozzarella cheese.
And then all this is going to let you reduce the blood pressure, the cholesterol level, which means it's a great source or great ingredient for the heart conditioning. At the same time, the food item that we're using right now here is known for reducing the risk of diabetics.
Lastly, I'm going to be adding is coconut milk to it, and just going to mix up all. So then we're going to just make the pan warm. So keto almond dosa is a really healthy option, plus it is highly nutritive because it's not really high in carbohydrates, because it is really less in carbs compared to the normal rice dosa what we have, and it is really easy to cook because you don't have to ferment the same.
Now the few things I like about it is very short in time to prepare it, and at the same time it's leaving the carbohydrates apart. It has got many health benefits, which I think is a great part about it.
The dough is ready. We're going to put some clarified butter, that's ghee. To that I'm going to be adding the dosa batter. So you're going to let the dosa turn a little golden and crisp. So it's going to take comparatively a little longer time than a normal rice dosa. Why? Because it's an almond flour and a flaxseed dosa. So it'll take comparatively a little longer time to cook. So we're going to keep it on high flame or a medium to high flame and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Right, so our dosa is ready and ready to serve.
Alright, so now my part.
That's the dosa.
We're going to serve some chutney which we made in the last video. So if you want to go and see that, so just write chutney, keto chutney, you'll get to see on the YouTube. Alright guys, so we're good to go. So my mouth is already watering. I'm really going to eat that very quickly. So thank you for tuning in. We're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed.
And please share it with your friends.
That's all about it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.